Mas masaya pa kung hindi ako invited tapos dumating na lang ako. Kasi hindi ka nila pinansin, problema mo yun. Hindi ka invited, pumunta ka. Ayaw pa nga ng nanay ko, umiyak eh, pero nakita ko nakatingin siya sa akin. Tamalikad ako kasi ayoko makita yung nanay ko. Na umiyak ako. Magulgulan nanay ko sobra. Ako pakilamdam ko lang kaya sinabi niya na hindi natuloy yung kasal. Siguro ayaw niya na akong pumunta.
So ngayon, ano na ang desisyon ni Dennis?
Ayoko na, surrender na, I'm finished. Tatay na lang nila ako pero bringing back the relationship, wala na siguro. Ngayon ko nang na-realize, not one of my children even posted my picture in their Instagram. Not once. As in, zero. Why, OG? Sabi nila ako yung toxic. Talaga ba?
How do you answer that?
A father is longing for love from the children, especially if the father is going to almost 3/4 of his life. Can you call that as toxic? A father's longing. A father who asks forgiveness privately and publicly, is that toxic? A father who apologized to the mother, to the children, to the boyfriend of the children, in private and in public, do you call that toxic? A father who posted greetings on birthdays, on Valentine's, on Christmas and New Year to greet them so that it would reach them without reply. Is that toxic? If the answer to those things I said is yes, then I consider myself toxic.